we built the parliamentary toolkit for you. Here's why. About 860 million Indians use the internet every day, except the one institution that makes decisions for our country, its policies, its laws, and its growth story mostly remains ignored, noisy, distant. We're talking about the Lok Sabha. Now, let's be honest, the most we see of the Indian Parliament is when a thirst trap of some leader goes viral or when a serious debate gets diluted to a single meme. At times, a news headline might even say words like JPC, question R, 0R, as if we're supposed to know what all of that means by default. So here's the harsh truth. It's not easy to keep up with India's parliament, except all the MPs sitting inside were elected by each one of us, the Indian voters. And so we asked ourselves some questions. How can citizens keep track of what goes on inside the parliament? And how can we keep our MPs accountable by understanding how the parliament performed both in the current or earlier sessions? For exactly this reason, Namaste Democracy built the parliamentary toolkit. The data exists, the government's own digital Sansad platform is out there. Official records are technically accessible, but accessibility is not the same thing as understandable. The parliamentary toolkit is different, not because it has secret data, but because of what it does with public data to make it comprehensible to all in a language that we will all understand. So yes, the Parliamentary Toolkit is a citizen-friendly platform where each one of you can track attendance, debates, disruptions, accountability, bills and trends. Every metric is pulled directly from official records and translated into something every Indian citizen can read, understand and act on. This isn't about who you vote for. It's about what happens after you vote. And that should be visible to every Indian, not just for the ones who know where to look for this data. Scan this QR code or visit ND's website to get hold of the Parliamentary Toolkit and tell us what surprises you the most.